got on Dave's Cooking Show today? We got a real quick one for you. Remember, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 4 p.m., Dave's Cooking Show. All right, let's make a drink. First thing you want to do, we're making a Blue Hawaiian. You want to add 3/4 of a shot of Blue Caraco, about 2 shots of sour mix, 1 ounce of pineapple juice, and about 1 ounce of Malibu rum. Get yourself an ice-filled shaker, and pour all the ingredients in. Right now I'm getting the glass, put the top on, shake this sumbitch up, take it off, and into a iced glass, pour it in. That's it. The Blue Hawaiian, done.